Hey mathematicians, today we are going to be talking about adding fractions using fraction strips or a picture. Okay, so today I have the problem, what is 2/5 plus 2/5? So the most important thing I'm noticing right off the bat is that my fractions have common denominators. Okay, and what I mean by that is both of my fractions are speaking the same language of fifths. Okay, I'm not adding thirds and fifths, right? I'm adding fifths and fifths, and that's really important because that's going to change our approach if these two numbers were not the same, but in this case they are the same, which is good news for us. Alright, so if you are not a fan of the standard algorithm, you're not a fan of the number line, I'm going to show you a strategy that as long as you are meticulous will never let you down. Okay, so I'm going to use a fraction strip or a picture to help me add 2/5 plus 2/5. Okay, so on this fraction strip, I have one whole rectangle, and I've split it up into 5 pieces. And these pieces are as equal as I could get them using this computer and this mouse, but I have 5 equal pieces, which means my fraction strip is cut into fifths. Alright, so I'm going to start by coloring in this 2/5 right here, okay? This 2/5. Alright, so I'm going to color in this one, and this one. Okay, so there is my first 2/5. Alright, now I have to add my second 2/5. Okay, so I'm going to just continue on the same fraction strip, and I'm going to color 2 more fifths. Okay, here is my other 2/5. Okay, so I have colored in all of the add-ins in my problem. So now to find the answer, I'm just going to count up how many fifths I have colored. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have colored in 4, not sure why this pen is giving out on me here. 4 fifths, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5 pieces have been colored. And I didn't have to write down a single number. I didn't have to do any computation. All I had to do was color and count. Okay, so if your fractions are all dealing with the same denominator, this is a fast and easy way to either solve the problem or double check the answer you've arrived at. Now the last step in solving any fraction problem is to check that I've written my fraction answer in the simplest form. If you need help with that, go check out our reducing fractions strategy video. But because 4 and 5 don't share any factors, I know that this is the simplest form for this fraction. Alright, so 2/5 plus 2/5 equals 4/5 using a fraction strip. We have tons of other strategies for adding fractions with like denominators, so if you need some more help, check them out.